Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at algebraic expressions and formula. And in today's video, I'm going to look at simplifying algebraic expression by applying the four operations. So in this video, I'm going to simplify algebraic expression that has almost all the operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions, as well as brackets. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to show you how you can simplify algebraic expressions that have got all the operations and the brackets. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so before I go into simplifying algebraic expressions, let me share with you the steps you need to take when you are simplifying algebraic expressions that have four operations. Okay, so order in which we work out algebraic expression. So the first one is work out the content of the brackets first. So if the algebraic expression given has got brackets, so you focus on the numbers inside the brackets. Okay, once you have worked out the numbers in the brackets, the next thing you need to do is then you need to focus on any expression that has division. Okay, so you focus on the division operation sign. Once you have dealt with division in the expression, then next you deal with multiplication. So if there is a multiplication sign in the expression, that means you go to multiplication, you deal with numbers that are involved. Then once you are done multiplying, then the next step will be you do addition. If there are addition, if there is addition operation or there are many, you deal with addition operations. Okay, then lastly you deal with subtraction. So this is the order in which you work out algebraic expression when four operations are involved. I'm sure you may be aware of the board mass. This is the board mass. So that's how we simplify algebraic expressions with four operations. Okay, now once we have said that, let's now simplify the following. So okay, I've got two questions here to demonstrate what I've just said. Okay, so the instruction is simplify the following. So we have got 5a plus 9 multiplied by 3a minus 2a. Okay, here as you can see, there is no brackets as well as there is no division. That means we're going to start on step 3 where there is multiplication. So in this expression we're going to start with multiplication. So before I start doing that, let me just write it down here. Okay, then what we're going to do is I'm going to multiply. First, I'm going to identify where I'm going to start from. So I'm going to start multiplying 9 by 3a. So I'll start by multiplying 9 multiplied by 3a. Okay, then I'm going to write 5 in advance because 5 is not going to get affected. Then I'm going to multiply positive 9 multiplied by positive 3a will give us positive 27, which I'm going to write. The one I've underlined in light blue there is the expression I'm working on. So 9 multiplied by 3a will give us 27a plus, not plus, but minus 2a, because we are remaining with 2a there, which we haven't touched. So minus 2a. Like once we are done with that, the next step is we deal with addition. So you can see that 5a plus 27a. So we're going to add that, which will give us 32a. Then we're going to say minus 2a because negative 2a we haven't touched it yet. So we're going to say minus 2a. Okay, once we have done that, then we're going to say 32a minus 2a will give us 30a. So 30a will be our final answer. So simplifying 5a plus 9 multiplied by 3a minus 2a will give us 30a. Okay, now let's go to question 2. Question 2, we have got negative 3y plus 9y close bracket divided by 6 multiplied by 3y minus 6y close bracket. So we are going to start by working out what is in the brackets. So I'm going to rewrite this statement here. Okay, this expression. Okay, once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply negative. I'm going to add what is in the brackets. We have got negative 3y plus 9y, which will give us 6y, which we are going to divide by then we're going to multiply 6 multiplied by 3y, which will give us 18y. Okay, then which will be minus 6y. Okay, once I've done that, as you can see, the brackets are still there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the brackets again. So I'm going to write 6y divide by, so when you subtract 6y from 18y, we'll get 12y. That's why I've written 12y there. Okay, once I've done that, then the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to write that as a fraction. So we have 6y divided by 12y. So we can write it as 6 over 12y, 6y over 12y. Then I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by, I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by the common factor, which is the highest common factor. In this case, the highest common factor is 6y. 6y can go into 6y as well as in 12y. So I'm going to divide both numbers by 6y. So 6y divided by 6y, 12y divided by 6y. So 6y divided by 6y and 12y divided by 6y. Then when we divide 6y divided by 6y will give us 1. Then 12y divided by 6y will give us 2, which we are going to write 1 over, then 12y divided by 6y will give us 2, then which will give us 1 over 2 as the answer. Okay, then we can write it as that. Okay, probably someone would continue with the way I was coming with it, trying to work it horizontally. That means you can still come up with the answer, which is 1 divided by 2, which is also acceptable. But basically, this is how you simplify algebraic expression which has got 4 operations. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.